Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Have you ever felt the frustration of trying to connect with your team virtually, only to stumble at the starting line? It's a common issue, but one that can be easily overcome. Starting a Microsoft Teams meeting effectively is crucial for ensuring your next virtual gathering goes off without a hitch. Whether you're setting up a digital workspace for a collaborative project or just catching up with colleagues, having a smooth start can significantly enhance your online meeting experience. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process in a clear and detailed manner, so you'll be well prepared and confident the next time you need to initiate a meeting. Let's dive right into it. The first step in starting your Microsoft Teams meeting is to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. This is essentially your entry point for creating or joining digital meetings, collaborating in real time, and staying organized with your professional communications. Once you land on the website, you'll notice a prominent option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to sign in using your account credentials because this step is crucial for accessing all the features and meetings associated with your account. Once you're successfully signed in, the next area you'll want to explore is the calendar. It's located within Microsoft Teams and is a powerful tool designed to help you manage your meetings, view your scheduled events, and even start instant meetings. Navigating to the calendar section is pretty straightforward from the main dashboard. Now that you're set up, let's initiate a meeting. Look for the Meet Now option. This feature is incredibly handy for starting impromptu meetings or discussions that weren't pre-scheduled. It gives you the flexibility to create a meeting space at the moment without any prior setup or invitation process. Clicking on Meet Now will open a new window where you'll see the option to Start Meeting. Click on it to open your meeting room, making you the host of a live meeting session on Microsoft Teams. From here, you have the ability to invite participants, share your screen, use collaboration tools, and manage the meeting settings to meet your specific requirements. It's important to remember that managing a successful online meeting involves more than just starting the meeting. Make sure to check your audio, video, and screen sharing settings before diving into the discussion. This will ensure you're fully prepared when the meeting begins. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the meeting controls. You can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your video on or off. Screen sharing is particularly useful for presentations or when you need to discuss a document or report with your team. And there you have it. You're now equipped to start a Microsoft Teams meeting thanks to this simple and detailed step-by-step guide. You've ensured you're prepared and confident for your next virtual engagement. Microsoft Teams is all about making virtual collaboration seamless and effective, and knowing how to swiftly start a meeting is a key part of leveraging this powerful tool. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take some time to explore Microsoft Teams, try starting a test meeting, and get comfortable with the various features. The more familiar you are with the platform, the smoother your online meetings will go. Thank you for joining us here at PMN Online. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.